We know on the podium you didn't say much, considering what happened in the third moto, but now that you've had a few moments to reflect, do you have any more to say?
No, not really.
Just another example of Chase Sexton throwing away a win. Now, leaving Arlington, or coming into Arlington, we should say, he was tied with Cooper Webb in points, and leaving, he is down 5, which really isn't the biggest deal in the world. 5 points is not a massive gap, and probably can be made up in, well, one weekend. But the problem is now, how much of his own head, or how much is he in his own head, and how much is Cooper Webb just going to use this as that little bit of a mind game thing? And you can say, well, maybe he didn't know. That's why he was racing for the front. No. In the post-race conference, he even said he knew that he had the overall if he stayed where he was, and he just races for the win. But you can see right here, stalls the bike at the beginning, or not beginning of the race, but early in the race, and causes himself his own problem. And then coming in here, just tucks the front. Obviously there's a lapper on the outside. Nothing he could do. He's out of the way. And then you've got Cooper Webb in front, and Chase Sexton just tucked the front, and yeah, it's just one of those things. I mean, every year he has these problems where it's just his own issues, his own fault. It's not somebody crashed into him. It's not somebody, a lapper hit him or he had a bad start and had to race to the field. It's like stalling the bike. It's falling over behind somebody. It's falling over in practice. It's, these stupid little crashes and then just the continuation of every year having this problem. Like, yes, he's won some titles and you can put a little asterisk on that if you want to, with people being injured or however you want to say it. But, he was leading this year, should have had, I think in the last 3 races, he should be something like if he had his A game on, however you want to put it, he should be up like 18 to 20 points. Like he should have this season very much in hand. And now it's hey, can you actually put the mental pieces back together? And if you watch the post-race conference too, it's the same question over and over again. Like how do you put this behind you? Like what do you do when you do this? Like, and it's how many times does he want to answer these questions? I mean, he already got fined once for not going to the interview because he did. He threw away a win, and then he knew he was going to have to answer those same questions. What did you do? Why is this happening? What can you do about it? What are you going to do to fix it? And the $1,000 fine means absolutely nothing, but it's just a question of, does he actually have the mental side of this to do it? He's incredibly fast, talented, whatever. We're not going to comment on that because he has it. It's just the fact is, can he, one, not create his own mistakes? Can he not, crash when he doesn't need to? Can he not do the stupid things that cause him to lose points? And I mean, if you give somebody like Cooper Webb the mental edge on you, I mean, look how many times he's, how many times he's been around with Roxon, or he's just there, you know what I mean? And I don't know, for Chase Sexton, it's going to be the question of, can he get out of this little hole? Can you race the rest of the season and not worry about, oh, well, 3 races ago, if I didn't do that, I'd be leading. Oh, last race, if I didn't do that, I would have won. Can I continue to race the way I am, the speed I am, and just knock out the little problems that are causing him to lose races, to have these stupid little issues that are causing him, point losses? But I don't know. That's why I'm going to ask you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Does he come back and win this title? Does Cooper Webb run away with it now? Does Roxon come back and maybe get this? Personally, I'd like that because I think they'd be cool to see. But comment down below. Tell me what you think while you're down there. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out. And I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.